Welcome back to another video right here on Free Will Photos. Today we have an update for Luminar, and we're going to talk about it because I think that this is an important thing for those who are using Luminar as well as those who are potentially looking to pick up Luminar. So let's go ahead and jump into the computer and take a look at the slides. So here we are, Luminar update, and we're just going to jump right into it. First things first, Luminar now has a new name. What we all know as Luminar Neo has now been changed to Luminar. Just Luminar all by itself. Now, this comes in handy because it's going to unify a lot of the discussions around what version of Luminar, what type of Luminar you are using. And so there is Luminar on desktop, Luminar on mobile, and one of these things we'll talk about a little bit later, Luminar on the web. This is a new feature, and I think that this is something that's going to help kind of match what the Adobe photography suite has. Probably not exactly, but it's a step in that direction. So now you have Luminar on desktop, Luminar on mobile, and there's going to be a web application. Luminar is going to release in two phases. The first phase is going to be on August 5th. And that comes with the interface upgrade. This is going to be free to all Luminar users. Phase number 2 is going to be released in the fall of 26. An exact date hasn't been established yet, but once it is, I'll let you know. And it's going to come with quite a few things. You're going to get improved atmosphere, web editor access. There's going to be improvements to the fog effect, new composition tools within crop, a smarter AI assistant, upgraded masking, new enhanced AI features, or a new and improved version of enhanced AI, and a printing module. Now, there is a pre-order window for these upgrades because there are some paid aspects, and we're going to talk about that here in a second. But that pre-order window is July 31st through August 31st, 2026. And of course, if you'd like to save some money when you pick up Luminar, regardless of what version or type of Luminar, consider using the coupon code FWP10. That is an affiliate coupon. I do make a commission, but it's at no extra cost to you. Now let's continue moving. So phase 1, let's take a look at some of the interface upgrade notes. And again, this is going to be available on August 5th, 2026. So if you are a Luminar user, or you purchase one of those upgrades through the pre-order window, then you're going to get access to this. We have new interface design and improved navigation. There's going to be some improved generative tools. So if you're using the generative tools, we're going to see some improvement there. We're going to even see an improvement on the export speed. It's going to get a little bit faster. It claims here to be 25% faster. We're also going to see the use of RAM is going to be reduced. It looks like it's saying 33% here. Obviously, every machine is going to use the RAM a little bit different, but you should see an improvement on the use of the RAM, as well as preset previews are going to be shown a little bit faster. This release is also going to come with new camera support for Panasonic Lumix DC-L10, Sony a7 V compressed RAW files, and Sony a7R6, all of the RAW compressions. Now, phase 2 is going to come in the fall. We don't have a date on that yet, but let's take a look at what we get. Now, some of the features inside of phase 2, they are going to be available without payment, and these are going to be more of the update to Luminar. That's going to be improved masking, improved presets, printing, and new export with watermarks and frames. Now, the paid version or the paid features that you will get that are planned right now are Atmosphere 2.0 fog, Crop 2.0 composition variations, improved enhanced AI, AI assistant, and the web editor. Now, these do require a payment. And if you are an existing customer of Luminar If you go in and you check your account, you should have options to upgrade to the fall and pay for that during this pre-order window. And if you're new to Luminar, picking this up for the first time, then you'll just get access to this because it would already be covered in your 1 year of upgrades that are covered. Now, let's go over some of the key features in Luminar. Now, the things we're about to go over, I did take straight from Skylum. They provided this information because I don't have access to these tools, so I can't talk to you about how they feel. But when I do get access to them, then I will share that here on the channel. Atmosphere 2.0 fog creates fog that feels like it belongs in the scene. It reacts to light, picks up colors from the image, and helps create realistic depth instead of looking like a flat layer placed over. Crop 2.0 composition variations helps photographers explore stronger compositions faster. Luminar can suggest finished composition options based on the image, while the photographer stays in control of the final choice. And improved enhance AI, designed to feel more natural and scene aware. It reads the image first, protects highlights, adapts to the existing color palette, and helps avoid an over processed look. Now, all three of these features and tools, you still have control over what you do. From the Atmosphere 2.0 fog, you can still use additional masking tools if you feel like you're not getting the look that you want. With the Crop 2.0 composition, it's non-destructive and it's just giving you an option, and you get to choose what variation makes the most sense in your workflow. And then the improved enhance AI. Again, we've all used the enhance AI if you use Luminar. And if you don't use Luminar and you wonder about enhance AI, I highly recommend you give that tool a try. But you can crank that up or turn it down based off of your own preference and what you want to see. So even though there's a lot of AI that's built into Luminar, you do get to control the final output of it. Again, if you'd like to pick up Luminar at the discounted rate, the window to do that is going to be July 31st through August 31st, 2026. This is going to be the lowest offering that Skylum is providing for Luminar. And of course, if you'd like to save a little bit of extra money, you can consider using my coupon code FWP10. This is an affiliate coupon code. I do make a commission from everyone who uses it, but it's at no extra cost to you. It's actually saving you some money, so it's a win-win in the process. Now, if you have questions about this update and what it means for you based off of what you may have purchased in the past, leave those questions in the comment section below because it'll probably be helpful for everyone who may have the exact same question. Until next time, I want you to stay inspired and keep creating. Peace.